Hello everyone, I'm just going to do a quick bow tutorial for you. What I'm going to use is just a simple Easter bow. I'm going to use some neutrals, some orange. I take my tails, I usually make my tails about 10 to 12 inches long. You're going to gather it, pinch, twist it, and put it in your bow maker. Take it, decide how long you want your loops. I'm going to make this a small bow, so it's only going to be 5 inches. So I'm going to pinch it, twist it, and loop. Pinch it down, and then we're going to go straight up. Go in with my secondary ribbon. This is going to start at the top. We're going to pinch it, twist it, put it in our bow maker. Now we're going to make our loop a little smaller. Pinch it, twist it, pinch it, and bring down our final tail. Okay, I want to use it again. Pinch it, twist it, and put it in our bow maker. Make my loop a little smaller. Pinch it. Twist it. Bring it up. Okay, for my final ribbon, I'm going to use a 1.5 orange. We're going to go up with it, pinch, twist, make a small loop, pinch, twist, make another small loop, and we're going to bring it down. Now I like to use even number ribbon so that I have tails, the same number of tails on both sides. What I'm going to do now is we're going to take this, slide it off. I put my thumb at the top. I slide the ribbons up to my thumb. Hold them gently, firmly but gently. Wrap my zip tie around the center, keeping my stack firm. Tighten that zip tie, and you notice, you will see the ribbons pop up as I get it tighter. See how my ribbon's tightened? We're going to snip that off. Take a zip tie or a chenille stem, put it in the center. This is what I'm going to use to attach my bow. Fluff that out. Okay. And to hide my mechanics in the center, I like to put a small bauble or glittered ball. Put a glob of glue on there and just stick it right in the center. Hold it. When I dovetail my ends, I want to make sure that they follow the circle. Make sure they follow the circle of the bow. And then I dovetail the bottoms. Now I do not worry about the ends being even. I just leave them long. And if my customer needs to trim them, they'll be able to trim them on their own. Everybody has a different taste on how long ribbon tails should be. And there you go. There's a cute little April or Easter bow. I want to thank you so much, and you all have a wonderful afternoon. Bye-bye.